everyone, I'm Mindy. Today I'll talk about animals that go fast. Everyone, can you go fast? Yes, I can go fast. I can run fast too. Today I'll talk about that animal is run very fast. Look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, I can see a deer. The deer is run very fast. Today I'll talk about animals that go fast. This animal is a horse. A horse can run fast. Everyone, look at the picture. What color the horse? Yes, that's right. It's brown. How many legs horse have? Yes, that's right. Horse have 4 legs. You have 2 legs. This animal is big cat. The cat can run very fast. Everyone, look at this animal. What color it is? Yeah, it's white, it's black and yellow. And I can see a dog. Spot is black. This animal is a penguin. Penguin can swim fast. Everyone, can you swim? Yes, I can swim. The penguin lives in the cold place. The animal is a shark. Shark can swim fast too. Everyone, what color shark? Yeah, that's right. I can see great white shark. Do you like shark? Oh, I don't like shark. This animal is a big bird. Birds can fly very fast. Everyone, what the breakfast in this bird? Yeah, it's a mouse. Do you like it mouse? Oh, I don't like it mouse. This animal is a little bird. It can fly fast too. Everyone, what is this bird? Yeah, that's right. It's a hummingbird. It's a beautiful bird. This animal is a deer. It can run fast. Everyone, the deer had 2 horns. The deer had two white horns. Do you have horns? No, I think you're not a horn. This animal is a big turtle. It can not run fast. Everyone, can you run fast? I think you can run fast. This animal, the turtle, is run very slowly. Thank you for reading my story today. Bye for now.